Welcome to FAQ Friday and Fire Prevention Week. Did you know that your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms expire every 5 to 10 years? Regeneration accepts used or expired alarms at 200 drop-off locations around BC, and it's free. The recycling of used smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms involves the products being broken down into different parts and separated for plastic and metal recycling. If your alarms are expired, they can't do their job, which puts you and your family at risk. Every year during Fire Prevention Week in October, make it a habit to check the expiration date on your alarm. For more information on regeneration and to find an alarm recycling location near you, check out regeneration.ca. Or you can also find locations by using our online search tool Recyclepedia at rcbc.ca. Or give us a call on the Recycling Hotline. We're here to help.